If your GeoG install is failing, freezing, or just refusing to start, don't worry, because in this video I'm going to show you 3 simple fixes that can solve the problem fast. We'll go step by step, and by the end you should have a much better chance of getting your game installed without errors. If this tutorial helps, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more easy tech fixes just like this. Alright, let's get into it. First, let's try the offline installer method, because this is often the easiest fix when GeoG Galaxy is having trouble. Start by logging into your GeoG account in your browser. Once you're signed in, go to your games page and find the game you want to install. Instead of using the regular install option, look for the button that says Download Offline Backup Game Installers. Click that and download all of the installer files to your computer. After the files finish downloading, open the main setup executable directly and run it from your downloads folder or from wherever you saved it. When the installation finishes, launch the game once to make sure everything is working properly. This method bypasses a lot of launcher-related issues, and for many people, it solves the install error right away. If that still doesn't fix it, the next thing to do is run the installer as an administrator. This is important because sometimes Windows blocks the installer from making the changes it needs. To do that, right-click the installer file or right-click the GeoG Galaxy shortcut, then choose Run as Administrator. If a permission prompt appears, click Yes so it can continue. If you're installing through GeoG Galaxy, there is one more thing to check. Make sure the C drive program files x86 directory has full control permissions enabled. If Windows does not allow the launcher to write files there, the install can fail even if everything else looks normal. Giving the installer proper administrator access can fix permission errors, blocked writes, and incomplete installs. Now let's move on to another very common cause, and that is antivirus or firewall interference. Sometimes your security software may incorrectly flag the installer or block parts of the setup process. To test this, temporarily disable your antivirus while the game is installing. If you do not want to fully disable it, you can add the installer executable and your GeoG folders to the antivirus exception or trusted list instead. That way, your security software will stop scanning or blocking those files during installation. If you are using a firewall tool with extra restrictions, make sure GeoG Galaxy and the game installer are also allowed through. Once the install is complete, you can turn your antivirus protection back on right away. This step is important because a lot of install errors are caused by security software interrupting the setup in the background. So to quickly recap, if your GeoG install error is happening, start with the offline installer, then run the installer as administrator, and then check whether your antivirus or firewall is getting in the way. One of these fixes usually solves the issue for most users. If this video helped you out, please hit the like button and subscribe for more simple tutorials, fixes, and step-by-step guides. And if you want, leave a comment with the exact GeoG error message you're seeing, and I'll try to help you troubleshoot it further. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.